Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Pokemon Decomp hacking tutorial series. The heater is currently running, so it's going to be turning on and off frequently because it's winter, so there may still be a slight amount of static in the background. I don't know. I'm working in a different environment than what I'm used to, changing microphones and whatnot, but we're going to get into installing PoryScript. Now, PoryScript is the program in which we will use to write scripts for the game, so that way we can execute events like giving items, giving Pokemon, trainer battles, stuff like that. At the very top of the description in the video is going to be the link to this page. You're going to want to click PoryScript Linux.zip because we're using Ubuntu in WSL. Once you have that downloaded, extract it to your desktop, open it up, and you will see these 4 files. Now in the Decomps folder, go into PokeEmerald, go into Tools. We're going to make a new folder and call it PoryScript. Open it up, take fontconfig.json and PoryScript, drag them over. We are done with the PoryScript Linux folder, so we can go back, and that is only the beginning. We need to make some changes to the make file in order for the make command to understand what we just did. So in PokeEmerald, we're going to go down to maketools.mk and we're going to open it with Notepad++. If you don't have it, it's a very quick Google search. Download it, install it, and you are good to go. What we need to do is on line 4. Let me reference my notepad, my notebook. I wrote this all down so that way I can be prepared. We're going to put a hashtag. It turns green, which means it's commented out, and the game will not run it. So now on line 5, we are going to type tool, DIRS, space, colon, equals, space, money sign, open parenthesis, filter dash out, space, tools, slash AGBCC, space, tools, slash binutils, space, tools, slash PoryScript, and then we can put comma, money sign, open parenthesis, wildcard, space, tools, slash, asterisk, and 2 close parentheses. We can hit save and close that out. Now we need to change make file. This one, again, Notepad++. We have to do several things in this file. We want line 134. Scroll down, and on line 134, we're going to, in all caps, put script, space, colon, equals, space, tools, slash, PoryScript, slash, PoryScript, money sign, parenthesis, exe, in all caps, close parenthesis. And we will go down to line 141. And we are going to put the same thing that we did in line 5 of the maketools.mk. Tool, DIRS, and then space, colon, equals, space, money sign, open parenthesis, filter out, tools / AGBCC, space tools / binutils, space, tools / PoryScript, comma, money sign, open parenthesis, wildcard, tools / asterisk, 2 close parentheses. We will go up to 138 and put a hashtag at the beginning to comment that out. We want to go down even further to line 247. Hit enter. And we are going to type RM space -F space money sign, open parenthesis, PATSUBST space %sign dot pory, comma, %sign dot INC, comma, money sign, open parenthesis, shell find data, / space dash type F space name space apostrophe asterisk dot pory apostrophe 2 close parentheses. And we will go down to line 274, hit enter, do %pory, and, %.pory, colon, space, semicolon. And one more to do. We are going to line 286. And we're going to type data /%.inc colon space data /%.pory semicolon space money sign open parenthesis script in all caps close parenthesis space -I space money sign C space dash lowercase o space money sign at space -FC space tools / PoryScript / font _ config .json. And that's everything. We can save that. And just to make sure, I can do Windows R, WSL, and if anything was messed up, if anything was done wrong, it will throw up an error. CD decomps, CD pokey emerald, make -J10. I'm not going to let it go through all the way on camera, because it'll take like 5-10 minutes, whatever. But that's the basics. That's how you get PoryScript installed. You download it, you move the 2 files over, and then you edit the maketools.mk and the make file. Now, to make it to where you don't have to type it all out, I'm going to have the file name, the line that you have to edit, and then the code, so you can just go to it and then copy paste. I could have done that for my end. If you want to follow along and type it out as I did it, that's fine. But in the top of the description is going to be the download link for PoryScript, and then underneath that is going to be the files, the lines, and the codes. I just have a paper notebook here that I reference for my videos. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment down below. I will be more than happy to answer. The next couple of videos are going to be very, very easy and very fun. So hopefully you will tune in for those. Take care.